Hey Tori, thank you for clicking on my video today. Today I want to talk about CNT Foundations LLC. But before we get into that, my name is Joshua Gutierrez. I love doing what I do and helping small business owners such as yourself grow and become better. So with that, let's get started. Um, there's a few things that I want to kind of introduce. You could be found by Google up here on this top three positions here. 30% of your clients will actually find you here. Um, these three spots right here is known as the organic section. 70% of clients will actually find you here. So with that, let's start with first thing I want to talk about is content. Second thing I would like to discuss is backlinks and keywords. Third thing is citation. So let's start with content. So let's come and scroll down to CNT Foundations. So once we pull up your website, we can pretty much see how much content you have. As I'm scrolling down here, it looks really nice. I like how you have this video here. I like how you have this box here that you can put your phone number and they can get free estimates from you, which is really nice to have. And they can also have a clickable phone number to reach you. That's pretty awesome as well. But what Google really looks for is content. It looks like you got about 300 words. Google really loves about 1,500 to 2,000 words of content. So looks like you might need a little help with that. And what also helps too is when you incorporate different keywords in your content and you boldface them, so when people are searching for you, um, your website will be easier to find and also easily ranked. So let's get your competitors, see what they're doing with content. So your competition is Low Country Foundation Repair. So let's kind of take a quick look at theirs. Okay, they need. Oh yeah, they have a box menu as well. Let's see. Okay, it looks like they have a little bit more content than you. I would say they have about 800 words of content, maybe 1,000, but definitely they are beating you guys in content. But they do not, that I can see, have any embedded keywords inside their content on the homepage. So, but most definitely, I mean, if we put 1,500 to 2,000 words, we could definitely outrank these guys in content. So that's pretty much all I got for content. Second thing that I do want to discuss with you today is backlinks and citations. Now, all backlinks aren't created equal. Um, there's this tool that's called Ahrefs. Now, I took the liberty and punched in your website domain, and this is um, a current view of your website. So it basically shows like the strength and the trust, how Google views your website. Um, so the UR pretty much is the strength, and the DR is that right here is pretty much the trust. So it's out of a scale of 100. So basically, it's a 4.9 trust, 22 strength out of 100. You have 112 backlinks, or excuse me, 1.12k backlinks, 686 keywords, 209 referring domains. Now these are all the organic ones that you need. So really what we want to look for is the do follows. You have 145. So let's kind of see and compare. Your competitor here has 2.6 organic keywords, and they have these do follows right here are pretty much what tell your referring domains and everything that tie into your backlinks organically. So this is what you really want to have. Um, so um, which is really good that you have more do follows than them. That's a good thing. But here where they're ranking you is they have more power than you, and the reason why they're pushing more power, and it's not by much. They have a little bit more trust, but that's because they're using a lot more keywords than you, and it's probably more organic. ones that they are using. The good thing about this tool is we can use this tools. We have access to everything that they're using. So all we got to do is add more keywords, attach some more backlinks, and we're good to go. So we just got to do what they're doing and then some. So that's pretty much all I have for you in backlinks and keywords. Third thing I want to talk about is citations. Now, citations are pretty much like a digital phone book for your business. So let's take a quick peek. Now, what we had discussed previously up here in the top 3 spots. Now, right here, as long as you have more citations than any of these 3 positions, or even this one down here, you'll be good to go. And it looks like you're on the 2nd position up here, so you don't really need any help. You get pretty much traffic coming into your business there. So if you wanted to be up here, you'd have to do what Mountain Valley Foundation's doing, putting 100% complete profile, your GMB, and also using your Google My Business profile, and also save all your photos and all that with properly using keywords. So when people look for you, then they can find you. So, Tori, that's pretty much all I have for you. I hope this information was valuable to you. If you feel like you need someone to take a look at this for you, I'd be more than happy to guide you. My name is Joshua Gutierrez. I'm with Peterson SEO. If you would, please give me a call, 505-331-7995. Thank you for your time, and if say you don't want to do this, no harm, no foul. This is free information for you to use. So, thanks again, and I hope the rest of your day is good to you. Thank you.